बाबू कवळेकर आज म्हाका दिसता कमेंट दिला की minister also should be probed along with this type of corruption charges. I would love and I would welcome such type of probes. I'm very clear the government's intention of zero tolerance to corruption is very clear. As far as revenue and IT departments go, I mean already cleansing म्हणजे start केल्लें आसा. It will take a little while, but very clearly the message is gone that no nonsense will be tolerated in this. As far as बाबू कवळेकर goes, आय थिंक ताणें हे चीप पब्लिसिटी स्टंट्स करच्या पेक्षा बरें कितें तरी काडचें जो स्वता इतलो स्कॅमान गुटला आय वूड से अ कॉफिन ऑफ स्कॅम्स दॅट मॅन हेज बीन इन्वॉल्वड ही इज बीन पुट एज द लिडर ऑफ ऑपोजिशन आय थिंक माय प्रायोरिटी टुडे वूड बी टू आस्क आवर ऑनरेबल चीफ मिनिस्टर टू हँड ओवर ऑल दीस IDC स्कॅम्स टू CBI कित्याक त्या मनशाक पयलीं असल्यो गजाली ज्यो काडटा ताणें स्वताची आपूण खंय पांय आसा तें पळोवपाचें. But as far as we are concerned, the government's intention, as we said, is very clear. And I would like to say that as far as this cleansing process, what we have started, the policies of government officers of this type taking VRS also can be an option coming up later. As काल कितें जाला, ताजे reports जशे येतात, definitely action will be taken, and such issues will be dealt with a very firm hand.